Good morning. Have a great Wednesday. It's going to be, well, another hot and muggy day around East Tennessee. Kind of a broken record here, but the humidity and the heat continue to build. Actually, as we get into the day today, it's going to be actually a little bit more humid than what it was yesterday, and that's going to be the story as we get into our Thursday and Friday as well. Let's talk about your almanac data from yesterday. We did make it to 92 degrees in Knoxville after a morning low of 65, 85 in Crossville, 93 in Chattanooga, and 89 degrees in Tri-City. So when you look at the average temperatures, it was a fairly average day. And the humidity was starting to build yesterday, but that's really going to be the story here over the next couple of days, and we continue that process throughout the day today. So when you look at your forecast for the day today, for the day ahead, I should say, we're going to be in the mid-80s by lunchtime. Our goal today is going to be in the low 90s, and it's going to be plenty of sunshine. So the UV index is going to be on the high side again here throughout the day today. So if you're out to the pools or the lakes, something to keep in mind. Lather everybody up. Now, again, as I mentioned, temperatures will be a little bit warmer today than what we were yesterday. We'll go low to mid 90s, but then you factor in the humidity, and we're talking forecast heat index values throughout the day today, pushing close to 100 degrees. And again, we didn't have that yesterday, but we will have that more so today, and we'll do it again throughout the day tomorrow. So your evening forecast, well, we just don't cool off much into the evening hours. Even by 8 o'clock here tonight, we're still going to hang on to right around 90, and then we'll be in the mid-80s by 10 o'clock this evening. So it's going to be a very warm and muggy afternoon and evening as well. Now, as we get into our Thursday and Friday, we've been talking about it all week long. We do have a cold front on the way, and that cold front's going to spill in some much-needed rain, a good opportunity for some of us to see some rain, but we also may see a chance for a couple of isolated strong to severe thunderstorms. So let's walk you through our futurecast model. As we head through the day today, we're going to be on the quiet and dry side, so I'm not going to show you a futurecast today. But we'll pick up our timeline on Thursday morning, 4th of July. If you happen to have outdoor plans, a lot of us are going to be out and about, whether it be the pools or the lakes or heading down to the festival on the 4th in downtown Knoxville or your communities, just something to keep in mind. So by lunchtime, I don't think we'll see a whole lot of activity. As we get into the afternoon, again, I don't think that we have a lot of thunderstorm activity on board. Here's 3 o'clock in the day on Thursday for the 4th of July. Here comes our storms. And again, for the Cumberland Plateau, the Northern Valley, Tennessee-Kentucky border, likely to see the best chance for seeing some showers and thunderstorms. So through Thursday, you can clearly see that we don't have a huge opportunity for a lot of rain for most of us. So I don't anticipate a lot of activity on the 4th of July. It is going to continue to be on the hot side, so we'll stay right there in the low to mid-90s. Heat index values will be a little bit hotter on Thursday and the 4th of July. Let me go back to that than what it will be throughout the day today due to the fact that dew points continue to climb on up. So once again, we'll have heat index values possibly pushing about 105 or so across the Southern Valley. So incredibly hot weather for the 4th of July. And again, not a huge chance for a lot of shower and thunderstorm activity. So your fireworks forecast for the 4th of July, it's going to be a toasty one. By 8 o'clock, we're right around 89. By 10 o'clock, still in the mid-80s. But again, the dew points are going to be up, so it's going to be very, very humid. So practice that heat safety for the next couple of days. Now, Friday into Saturday, just a sliver of a chance for maybe a couple of isolated strong thunderstorms across the Tennessee-Kentucky border. Not expecting much there as well. But the cold front will spill in a better opportunity for some showers and thunderstorms Friday into Saturday. We'll kind of shut that down Sunday, Monday, and then ramp it back up again on into next Tuesday. But not much relief. Let me show you the big picture. This is how it all plays out. Here's a frontal boundary. High pressure anchored across the eastern seaboard. And so no rainfall throughout the day today. Cold front's going to spill in some scattered showers and thunderstorms across the Ohio Valley today and tomorrow. So if you have any travel plans to our north, up 75, you may run into a better chance for showers and storms. Cold front starts to kind of lifts off to our north, but then as we get into our Thursday, a few showers and a few thunderstorms possible. Here comes the cold front that's going to spill in a better chance for showers and storms as we get into Friday and even into Saturday as well. So there's Friday morning, running through Friday afternoon. And again, there's that chance for showers and thunderstorms. So thank goodness that we're going to finally see some much needed rain around the area. When you look at your forecast rainfall accumulations around the region, heaviest rain is going to be across the Great Plains, upper Midwest, the Ohio Valley. But some much needed rain will swing its way into the area with that cold front as we get into our Friday. So Friday does bring us some relief. Now let me show you the big picture and talk about the story ahead, because high pressure in the upper parts of the atmosphere is anchored across the southeastern coastline. There is a trough. This is going to be the trough that helps to push that cold front into our area. So high pressure will kind of weaken and kind of slide its way, flatten out a little bit anyways, as that trough moves its way in to our north, helping to bring us some relief when it comes to precipitation. But it doesn't necessarily bring us relief from the heat, and I'll show you your 7-day forecast coming up in just a moment. Dew points. Dew points are going to really soar here over the next couple of days, and that's why the humidity increases. That's why we're going to see the heat index values pushing close to 100 degrees. Cold front will spill in some slightly drier air as we get into Saturday and Sunday. So we will see a little break in our dew points heading into the upcoming weekend. All the way through Friday and Saturday, dew points in the 70s, I should say Sunday, Monday timeframe is really when we'll start to see those dew points come down just a little bit. So Sunday, Monday will be very similar to today and tomorrow, but notice Friday, Saturday, dew points climb into the low to mid 70s, and that's what's going to bring us incredible heat index values. So again, if you have travel plans around the region, excessive heat is going to continue to break out across the southern Mississippi River Valley and across much of our region. Heading into Saturday, we'll start to see a little bit of break in that activity, and we'll do it again on into our Sunday as well. So we will see a little break from the extreme heat index values as we get into the weekend. Temperature-wise, a little bit more seasonable weather as well. So Saturday through next Tuesday, temperatures will be in the upper 80s to right around 90 versus the low to mid 90s that we'll have from now through Friday. Low temperatures will stay right there into the 70s for the most part. A little bit warmer morning lows as we get into our Friday and Saturday as well. And then more seasonable low temperatures as we get into our Sunday through next Wednesday timeframe. And looking ahead though, still looking at the possibility. Maybe some average temperatures from the 9th through the 13th, but it doesn't last long. It still looks like we're trending to be above average all the way through the first half of July. So incredibly hot weather on the way. Let's talk tropics for a moment. This is a long weather forecast, but again, we do have a couple of scenarios going on. So let me show you the path of Category now 4 Hurricane Beryl that continues to work its way through the Caribbean Ocean into the Yucatan Peninsula by Friday morning. And then where it goes from there, there's some uncertainties. The model forecasts, one model has it lifting to the north, one kind of keeps it on track across parts of Mexico. So let's talk about scenario number 1. Upper level high pressure, stronger and a little bit further west, would keep that storm down into Mexico and maybe not pushing its way further to the north into Texas. But if that's a little bit different, if upper level high pressure is weaker and further east, it actually is going to help to push this thing over to Texas. And so Texas is not out of the woods when we're talking about Hurricane Beryl, although it is expected to weaken as it moves its way towards Mexico and possibly maybe re-strengthen if it goes back into the Gulf of Mexico. So we'll keep you posted on that. Whew. Lots going on here around East Tennessee and much of the world, if you will. All right, by the way, stay on top of the latest weather forecast. Listen, if you're going to be heading out to your 4th of July festivities, heading off to the pools, we do have that chance for some showers and thunderstorms by the end of the week. Download the East Tennessee Weather app. It's 100% free. Just go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and search East TN Weather, all one word. Have a great day. Again, practice that heat safety if you're going to be spending extended amounts of time outdoors, and wear plenty of sunscreen, grab some shade, and plenty of water as well. Enjoy your day.